All right, let's now check in with meteorologist John Adams for a look at our forecast. Now, John, how is it looking out there? Because it's been pretty gloomy today. Not too chilly, though, but it's been gloomy.
Oh, yeah, it has been. We do have a big change coming in our weather. As you said, it is warmed up outside as predicted, and we will see those temperatures beginning to plunge. We've also got a little more of a window here for severe storms. We have a slight risk of severe storms in mainly the eastern portions of East Texas, a marginal risk in the area there in green. The worst of it, though, is the enhanced risk that covers northern Louisiana and points to the east from there all the way over into the panhandle of Florida and a good portion of western Alabama as well as western Tennessee. Main threats would be damaging thunderstorm winds, but in this enhanced area there is a good potential for some tornadoes. The tornado watch extends across northern Louisiana up into southeastern Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, and western Tennessee, but does include those three counties in East Texas: Shelby, St. Augustine, and Sabine. That goes until 10 o'clock. Satellite and radar shows the storm system that's producing all of this moving across the Mississippi Valley at this point, but the line of thunderstorms developing and extends back here into East Texas and actually down to the Texas coast. But again, the worst of this is going to be to the east of us as this system moves on through tonight. Next couple of hours, just about everything should be out of East Texas, and then we go through a couple of days where we'll see really a little as far as weather is concerned, except for those cold temperatures. Now, Tuesday we start to pick up cloud cover again, get another system moving northward, and that'll bring showers and possibly some thunderstorms to parts of East Texas. We'll have wintry conditions to the north there, and we're not anticipating anything like that in East Texas, except midweek we'll be keeping an eye on a system that could bring us a little bit of wintry precipitation. As we get closer there, we'll know more about that. But temperatures right now, we are well into the 60s, even some 70s down in deep East Texas at this hour. Well, as the front moves on through, we'll step you through here the mornings and the afternoons. Saturday tonight at 10 o'clock, we should be in the 40s across the area. In the morning, we'll be down to freezing with wind chills around 22 degrees there early. Sunday afternoon, we'll be in the 40s. This will be close to our highs. And then we go back down to the freezing mark there Monday morning, around 30 degrees for those lows. And then the afternoon, we start to warm up into the 50s. And then Tuesday morning, we'll begin to pick up some cloud cover again. Temperatures expected in the 40s then, but just when you think everything's going to start looking good, we will see some more rain moving back into the area, possibly with some thunderstorms there in the nighttime hours on Tuesday and Wednesday. Check those temperatures. They're going to be in the upper 20s. Some wind chills to Wednesday morning down in the teens, around 15 degrees. Next 7 days, normal low runs about 41. We'll be below that for much of that time, as low as 17 degrees on Thursday with a wind chill of about 5. And your next 7 days shows a normal high of 62 degrees, and the temperatures will be well below that over the next 7 days. Meanwhile, here's what we're expecting overnight. Low temperature around 30 degrees, becoming partly cloudy, windy still with southwest winds becoming northerly. Some of those gusts up to 30 miles per hour, so that's going to add to the wind chill. Sunday's forecast says we'll have a high of 47 with sunshine, north winds gusting up to 25 miles per hour. Over the next 7 days, we will see, as you know, a drop in temperatures again Wednesday and Thursday, and we'll be letting you know if it looks like we're going to get any type of wintry precipitation then. Check the forecast anytime at KETK.com.
Thank you.